Welcome to Coffee Dealer's Kitchen. Tonight I'm going to show you guys my stir-fried yellow squash with zucchini. These are all the ingredients that I prepared here. First, our chopped onions with yellow squash and zucchini, salt, pepper, red pepper flakes, and olive oil. This is just very quick. And let's start. We're gonna add our olive oil now. This is just so quick. So we're just gonna add our veggies now. We're gonna add a black pepper, some salt, we're gonna add our red pepper flakes now. Our stir-fried veggies is almost done. Alright, so here is my stir-fried veggies. Very easy to make. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy it. Please like and subscribe.